Dear students, here is question. -1 is the root of the equation 4x cubed minus x squared minus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. So we have to find the roots. Okay, so solution. Here we can write that p of x, that is equal to 4x cubed minus x squared minus 11x minus 6, and we will divide this whole by a is equal to -1. It is given here. Okay, so by using synthetic division, we can write that we will take from here coefficients like 4 will come from here, -1 is here, and -11 is here, so it will be written here, and -6. So this whole can be divided by -1. Okay, so here is -1. We will divide this whole value with this one. Okay, so look here. We have taken coefficients from here, 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 and here, and we are dividing with this root. So look here, we will write this one as it here. Okay, now multiply this with this, it will become -4. Then write this here. Okay, now by simplifying this, -4 -1, it will become -5, and now again multiply this with this, it will become +5. It will give us -6. Okay, then again multiplying this with this, it will give us +6. So it will become 0. Okay, so here is remainder 0, and depressed equation will become depressed equation that will be 4x squared. Okay, you have to write one value less than this one. Okay, if this is x cubed, so here you will start with x squared. Okay, so -5x and -6, that will be equal to 0. Okay, we make its factors. So by making its factors, 6 4s are 24. Okay, so we can write that x squared minus 8x plus 3x, these are factors, -6. We have learned this, how to make factors and factorization, so you can find the question in my YouTube channel. Okay, so here look, we will take common 4x, and it will give us x minus 2, and plus 3 is common here, so x minus 2, that is equal to 0. If same values come here, it means your question is correct. Okay, and if they don't match with each other, so it means that you have done something wrong in the question. So here we take this common again, x minus 2, and here will come 4x plus 3, that is equal to 0. Okay, now by putting x minus 2 equals to 0, so this will give us x is equal to 2. put this one, 4x plus 3 equals to 0. This will give us 4x is equal to minus 3 and x will be equal to minus 3 by 4. So two roots are here, hence the roots. Here again I explain, sorry, it was missed from the screen. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here x will be equal to 2 and 4x will become equals to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here roots are minus 1, that was already given, and 2 from here